Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today we're going to make a card with the Honeybee bundle from the Spring Mini catalog and the gorgeous Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper has the word specialty in it because of the gorgeous gold foil designs on every piece. Isn't it stunning? This paper is a level 1 reward with celebration, meaning you can get it free with your $60 purchase until March 31st. And guess what? This wonderful Honeybee bundle, which includes stamps and dies that coordinate so marvelously with the Golden Honey paper, just so happens to cost $55.75. So if you buy this bundle and any small item, say a pack of Stampin' Dimensionals, you will qualify for a level 1 reward item. So you could get this beautiful paper for free or any other level 1 item. Your cardstock measurements are a card base of 8.5 by 5.5, crushed curry layer 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, a white layer of 4 by 5 1/4 inches, and a strip of DSP that measures 1 3/4 inches by 5 1/4 inch. You'll also need some gold foil and some scrap white cardstock. The first step is to attach your DSP to your white layer, and then we're going to run it through the die cutting machine with the honeycomb die. You want to overlap the die so that it's cutting out some of the white layer and some of the DSP layer. It's going to create this really cool negative image. And then at the same time, I'm going to use the same die on the gold foil and cut out a honeycomb with that as well. So I've cut this out. And I'm going to save some of these little gold honeycomb pieces to stick back onto my card. But the main piece that I want is the outline. And I'm going to cut these out with the coordinating dies. If you like, you can use a blends marker to color in the stripes on the bees. I'm also going to stamp my sentiment in the bottom corner of my card. Now I'm ready to assemble these bits of the card. Now, you could put all these bees on with dimensionals, and in fact, that's what I'm going to do for the 2 small bees. But for the large one, I'm going to create a wobble spring. You can buy ready-made wobble springs from, I believe you can get them from Amazon or other craft places, but you can actually make your own and it's quite easy. So let me show you how it's done. What you'll need is a small circle punch, wire cutters, a small screwdriver, a pinhole punch, or if you don't have a pinhole punch, you can just use a push pin. And then you'll need 30 gauge floral wire. You can just get this from Michael's. Make sure that you get the 30 gauge, not the 28, because the 28 gauge is too strong to do what we're trying to do. So let me show you what to do. You're going to start with your small circle punch, and you're going to punch out 4 small circles. And then with 2 of those, you're going to use the pinhole punch or a push pin and just put a teeny hole in the center. So now you've got 2 circles with a hole, 2 circles without a hole. Then you're going to get your floral wire. Leave a little bit at the end and then wrap it around your screwdriver, say 5 or 6 times, and then again leave some at the end and clip that with your wire cutters. Now before you pull it off the screwdriver, give it a little squish to coil up that spring. There we go. Can you see that? Now what you're going to do is put one end of the spring through the hole that you've punched and put down a teeny tiny little piece of tear and tape. And then just turn the wire so that it's going to attach to that tear and tape. And then we're going to take the other circle that doesn't have a hole and plop it right on top, making a little sandwich there. And we can use the wire cutters to snip off that excess at the end. And do the same on the other side. So now we've got 2 circles on each end with a springy spring in the middle. See how springy that is? Okay, now all we need to do is attach it to our card. Now the tricky bit is if you're using snail adhesive, you don't want to press down on this and squish your spring. So what I do is I apply the adhesive directly to the card and then stick the circle on there. And then again, I'm going to put my adhesive onto the B and put that down on the circle. And there we go. It even makes a sound like a bee. So there's my finished card. Now remember that you'll get a chance to win this card by sharing the video. Just comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Now that you've checked out some of the many Celebration items available, I hope you're excited to earn your own, and I would love it if you shopped with me. You can shop online at inkyfingers.ca and earn your own free Celebration items with a purchase of $60 or more. And Celebration is the best time of year to host a party. So if you're interested in earning additional free products on top of your Celebration rewards, contact me and we can start planning your party. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200, or contact me and we'll start planning your own online or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!